Number 58. Find the focus of the parabola shown on the right. So let's see what points we have to start with. So for our vertex, looks like for an x-coordinate we have -1/2, and then our y-coordinate is -9. And then these 2 points, let's see, the left point looks like -1, -6, and the point on the right looks like 0, -6. So, when you're finding the focus, and pretty much anything related to the conics of a parabola, we can use this form. So, since the parabola is facing upwards, we're going to use x minus h squared is equal to 4p times y minus k. So this x minus h squared, this is what tells you that the parabola is facing either up or down, because you're going to end up having an x squared term. And then this p, what this p means, it's the distance from the vertex to the focus. So all we have to really do for this problem is solve for p. So let's see what we have. Okay, the other thing is h and k, or the point h comma k, that's the same thing as the vertex. So let me rewrite this just a little bit with our updated information. So it will be x and then minus h, which is the x coordinate of the vertex. So x minus -1/2 is x plus 1/2 squared is equal to 4p times y and then minus and -9, so y plus 9. And now we just have to solve for p. So I'm going to use this point right here. I'm going to use 0, -6 just because it'll be a little bit more straightforward, I think. So if we use the point 0, -6 for our parabola, then we can plug in that point to the equation of our parabola and use it to solve for p. So if we plug in 0 in for x and -6 in for y, so 0 plus 1/2 is 1/2, squared is 1/4, and that's equal to 4p times y plus 9, or -6 plus 9. So that's 4p times 3. So if I do a little bit of multiplication, 4p times 3, that's 12p. And then solving for p, I just divide both sides by 12, so p is equal to 1 over 48. So what that tells us is, let's say the focus is, I'm not doing anything like exact, let's say the focus is right here. What this p tells us is that the distance between this vertex and our focus right here, this little distance that I just colored in, that is equal to 1 over 48. So we can see that it's straight up from the vertex. So the x-coordinate is going to stay the same. We're going to have an x-coordinate of -1/2. But as I'm looking at the answers, it looks like all the answers have x-coordinate of -1/2. So to find the y-coordinate then, we just take the -9, which is where it starts with, and then we see it goes 1 over 48 up, so plus 1 over 48. So then just do -9 plus 1 over 48, which will give you -8 and 47/48 for your y-coordinate. So that's going to be answer choice E. Alright, so if you have any questions from other tests, make sure to leave a comment and I'll make a video with a solution. With that said, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. This has been Investigative Math, and I will see you next time.